Hi guys, I'm gonna introduce you to my best friend Liam. Liam, can you please come in? And then we're gonna do a handshake. Come in. So this handshake is about. It's like ice. This is our handshake. Look here. Now that handshake. Also, guys, I want to tell you something. Please hit that follow button and subscribe to our video. So don't forget to subscribe to us because tomorrow, like and subscribe because tomorrow we're to be another part 3, guys. And guess what it's gonna be? Then we're gonna I'm gonna see what can I do for the part 3 thing most. Then I'm gonna ask my mother to give me money, and then I'm just gonna buy the stuff at Target. No, not at Target. So we in South Africa, guys. So I'm gonna buy at Usave or buy the shop something. Then I'm gonna buy Liam two coleslaws, and then we're gonna do a challenge thingy. Then after that we're gonna yo guys, it's gonna be a lot of stuff we're gonna do. Then we're gonna go somewhere, but I'm not gonna but I'm gonna introduce someone new. So it's my cousin Kaywan. So he's also gonna be in Team Lucas.
And what is name?
And Rico.
Simpton.
So yes, and my brother Simpton. Then we're gonna have tonight. I think we're gonna have a party because then my mother name is gonna drink and stuff. And I don't like that, bruh. And then Liam, I think is gonna sleep here by me because I want to. Then we're gonna sleep in my room. If my mother say yes, he can sleep here. Then we're gonna just how, bruh. Then we're just gonna sleep, stand up, go buy the stuff. Ask my mother the money most now to go the stuff. Then, but guys, just remember, I'm Afrikaans person, but I like to talk English when I'm on YouTube. English. Because you guys must don't understand Afrikaans. So I'm talking of